Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video to help you better understand how BitBay's Halo client utilizes private keys and share keys to access your account, and also teach you how to create a paper wallet. Think of private keys as a key that allows you to open a door to gain access to what's inside, and think of share keys as a door with a window. You can look to see what's inside, but you cannot access it. You might be wondering, why do you need share keys? They are used for the purpose of creating joint accounts with other individuals, yet we will go over that in another video. Share keys for individual accounts are not necessary really. If you lose them, you can always create a new one with your private keys. However, share keys do serve some purpose for individual accounts. For instance, if you have an issue with your client, you could potentially send both share key files to a support tech to help them better diagnose your issues. Please remember that you must have both private keys to access your account. If you lose either one, you will not be able to access it. This is why we recommend multiple backups of each and store them in multiple secure places. To create a paper wallet, you must first open the key file with a basic code editor like Notepad or Notepad++. Private keys have a .private file extension, and share keys have a .share file extension. You can name your keys whatever you wish, but just remember that the file extensions have to match the appropriate key, either .private or .share. Once the key file is open in Notepad, simply print each file with your printer, and voila, you've created your first paper wallet. You might notice that your share key is also included in your associated private key. This third line here should be the same as your share key. So like I mentioned before, you could always create a new share key. If you did for some reason lose it, you would simply create a new file and copy and paste, and just remember to save it as a .share file extension. So now you could print these out and hide them in multiple secure locations in your house, or in a trusted relative's house, or safety deposit box, or better yet, all three. If you wish to convert the paper wallet back to a computer file, you simply create a new file in Notepad++ or Notepad and copy the paper wallet coding into a new file and save the file with the appropriate .private or .share file extension. Simple enough. One thing to note, private keys can be passphrase protected. We highly recommend this. However, you must realize that a passphrase protected paper wallet key will still require the passphrase key for you to transact within your client. You can distinguish the difference simply by looking at the coding. The last line of coding in an unencrypted private key file will start with the word key. If this private key was passphrase protected, that first word there would change to password, and you'd have a bunch of encrypted lettering after it. With the Halo client, unlike typical cryptocurrency QT wallets, you cannot change an existing passphrase to a new passphrase. However, if you store your private keys in a paper wallet without them being passphrase protected, you could load up those unprotected keys and simply add a new passphrase to those new files through the client. So you'd simply go to the encrypted key file option and enter your new passphrase, and that would obviously change the private key in your computer, but you would still have the unprotected paper wallet that you've previously printed out. But just remember that if someone gets hold of your unprotected paper wallet key or keys, they would gain full access, because obviously they wouldn't need a passphrase to unlock transactions within the client. Alright, I hope this video gives you a better grasp on managing your client's security features. Thanks for watching.